Mia, where were you, my girl? I haven't seen you for a while. Where were you? Did you remember me? It's been at least 3 months. Finally, where were you, my girl? I came here to check on you very regularly. Huh? Oh, my girl. Are you okay? Oh, she's okay. I'm glad, my girl. I was so worried. Mia? Yes, it's me. Yes. Did you remember me, at least? Yes. My talkative little girl. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot, my girl. Come in, stay there. Stay there. Yes. Oh, oh, my God. Yes. I know. I know, my girl. I know. I wish I could understand you. So I know. I would know where were you. Yes. But it's okay. You're here. Right? Come on. Oh, somebody came. Hey, I don't know. It's always like this. Talkative cats doesn't like other cats. All of them. Mia, Portakal, Geveze, Siren, all of them. Yes. Why? Why is that? Hmm. Yeah. And I'm still smelling like other cats. Right? But she's okay. We are friends. Yes, we are friends. For 3 years now. Yeah. Oh, 3.5. Okay, okay. 3.5. Sorry. Sorry, don't yell at me. Please don't yell at me. I missed you, baby. I missed you so much. Yes. Yes. Mia. Come on. Yeah, she likes to do this a lot. Mia. Yeah, she has to rub herself. Come here. Come here, little. Even kitties. Don't like kitties too. Oh. Mia. Look. Yeah, she's not hungry. This is the proof that cats not always meows because they're hungry. Sometimes they need to talk, chatter a little bit, right? Oh, sweet girl. Oh, if you want to support channel, you can do that via Buy Me a Coffee. Link in the description. Thank you in advance and take care. Take care, Mia.